After more than a decade of delays, the National Stock Exchange of India is finally moving closer to its much-anticipated IPO. The exchange has reportedly received a no-objection certificate from SCBI, clearing a major regulatory hurdle tied to past governance issues like collocation and dark fiber. With that behind it, NSE now appears structurally closer to filing draft papers, setting the stage for one of India's most significant market listings. So what makes NSE so important? At its core, NSE is the backbone of India's financial markets. It runs the country's largest stock exchange, manages benchmark indices like the Nifty, clears and settles trades, and powers equity, derivatives, currency, and debt markets. More than just a trading platform, it's a technology-driven financial infrastructure business with multiple revenue streams, from transaction fees and listings to data services, connectivity, and investments. Looking at the numbers helps explain its scale. For the first 9 months of FY26, revenue from operations declined 13% year-on-year to 11,634 crore rupees. The drop was mainly due to softer transaction charges, which fell 16% to 8,968 crore rupees. Clearing and settlement income also declined sharply, but diversification is starting to show results. Revenue from other segments grew about 13%, supported by data services, investment income, and index-related earnings. Even now, transaction charges remain the core engine, contributing the majority of revenue, while listing services, data center charges, and index licensing add steady support. Profitability saw some pressure. Operating EBITDA fell 24% to 7,465 crore rupees as costs rose, driven by higher technology spending and regulatory settlement expenses. NSE also recorded a large one-time provision of about 1,307 crore rupees related to past regulatory matters. However, treasury income and strategic divestments helped cushion the impact. The partial sale of its NSDL stake alone generated a gain of roughly 1,200 crore rupees. Even after these adjustments, consolidated profit after tax stood at around 7,431 crore rupees for 9M FY26. Now compare that to its listed peer, BSE. NSE generated about 12,327 crore rupees in revenue versus BSE's 2,285 crore rupees, more than 5 times larger. Profitability shows an even wider gap. NSE reported about 7,431 crore rupees in profit compared to BSE's 583 crore rupees. Despite its dominance, NSE is estimated to trade at a lower valuation multiple than BSE in the unlisted market, even though it leads on liquidity, derivatives volume, and operating leverage. Return ratios remain strong for both, with NSE delivering a ROE of around 32%. The bigger picture is clear. NSE sits at the center of India's capital markets with scale, strong profitability, and growing non-transaction income streams. While recent financials show moderation in trading revenue and the impact of regulatory costs, its long-term positioning remains extremely strong. If the IPO moves forward, NSE won't just be another listing. It could become one of the most valuable and consequential financial infrastructure companies to hit India's stock market.